Alden with short update. And during GMA Gala 2024, may mga outfit ni Alden. At sabi ni Echo kay Alden, ang pinaka-miss kong Dower Catch, Alden Richard, salamat, always been sweet, nice, and guwapo, you know.
Mas pressured ako during the first
Ang interview kay Alden,
So ngayon,
ng Mega Entertainment.
all I wanted to do tonight is to just really have fun and be with my fellow Kapuso stars and Kapamilya stars.
You know,
And secondly, the statement, hello, love.
door love.
Hello, love. Let's go.
Let's go. Tapos, very
Relationship red flag. Misunderstanding.
Hi Alden, quick question, who are you wearing tonight?
Dolce & Gabbana, Schiaparelli, Louboutin, Brigade.
Okay. And what are you excited about tonight's event?
Of course, good time, the food, and yung makabandi ko ulit yung mga fellow Kapuso stars ko na I haven't seen in for the longest time.
No so dashing.
Thank you, DB.
See you around.
Yeah, this is Dolce & Gabbana suit, and then meron akong pair of Schiaparelli boots dito, dalawa sila.
So, kapag yung experience mo sa PBG last so far, ano yung pinaka-excited mo?
Nagulat ako on how grand this is right now. Paganda ng paganda every year yung setup natin, palaki siya ng palaki, and I'm very proud just to be here in this event.
Ayun. Ano abangan natin kay Alden?
Yan, so sa July 29, papalabas po ang Pulang Araw sa GMA. One of the most relevant teleseries there is, and we're very excited for our Kapusos to see it. So, July 29 po sa GMA Prime, 8 p.m. pagkatapos ng 24
Meron
hours.
ka daw Canada show?
Yes, may Sparkle tour din ako nagagawin in August. So, for more details po, nasa Sparkle social media account siya, and at the same time, mag-shoot na rin tayo for Hello Love Again.
Yeah. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para na-update po ang mature reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.